Hello dear students, I am Pratik sir, Mathematics faculty of class 9, Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. In this video, I am explaining you some questions from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. See, the question is, plot the points A 4, 0, B 4, 4 and C -3, 0. Join AB, AC and find the area of triangle ABC. First of all, we will make x-axis and y-axis. The first point is A 4, 0, x की value 4 and y0 on the same x-axis only. This is point A. Point B coordinates are 4, 4. So x की value 4 and y also 4. This is point B. And point C coordinates are -3, 0. X की value -3 and y0 means they are only on the same x-axis. This is point C. -3, 0. We will join all the 3 points A to B, B to C and C to A. C to A is already on x-axis, which is already joined. Now we will find out the area of this triangle. Area means half into base into height. Half base we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units is the base. 7 units base. And height 1, 2, 3, 4. Perpendicular, these are 4 units, so height is 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 7 twos are 14. 14 square units is the area of this triangle, which is formed in these quadrants. Another question, we have to plot these points on the graph sheet. See, the very first point is x4 and y plus 5. X plus 4 and y plus 5. X plus 4 towards right and y 5. Y 5 upward above x-axis. This is point where x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 5. Let these points be small a. So in place of this marked point, we will write small a, because we have let these points as suppose small a. So at this point we will write small a just close to this point. Another coordinates 5.5, -3. X 5.5, after 5, between 5 and 6, x is 5.5 and y -3 downward below the x-axis -3. This is the marked point 5.5, -3. Suppose this point is B, so we will write B just near this point. -2, 5, x की value -2 and y 5 upward. This is point C. -1, -6. This is -1 x and -6 below. This is point D. 0, 5. 0 is at the origin only and y की value 5 just above the origin on y axis. This is 0, 5. This point is suppose E, so E here. Another point 2.5, 0. X की value 2.5 on x axis towards right of origin and y की value 0, 0 at that point only on x axis. So this is the marked point whose coordinates are 2.5, 0. So this point is F. We will write F here. Thank you.